Hey, you know, every once in a while, stars align and things actually go Coach's way. For example, the sponsor of this week's video, Gotron Blue Hose, a classic example of showing up at just the right time. You know, with the new big planting beds that we have out in the front lawn area where we reduced the lawn by about 3,000 square feet, I was dragging 125 feet of 5/8 and 3/4 inch PVC rubber hose all around Brook and Pond here, watering everything as needed. Then Gotron reached out and they said, hey, we have a hose that we're bringing to market. How would you like to try it out? And I said, absolutely. So now, conveniently, I have a nice, lightweight, like 50% lighter, I'll show it in a second, 50% lighter 100-foot hose. Now I've got a hose for the backyard. And I didn't have to spend a fortune on rubber hoses again. You know, a nice red rubber hose, 75 feet is, you know, $80, $90 in most places now. Not this one. Maestro will put the cost, the retail cost that you can find this on Amazon and their website for much less. But what I'm really impressed with is the fact that this thing is 100 feet and it's not one of those snakes that expand. It's a non-expandable hose and super lightweight when it's dry. Probably, I would say, 12 pounds at the most, maybe 8 pounds at the most. Pulling that 125 feet that I do right now is literally my morning workout, my lower body and my upper body workout. Now, with this particular thing, it has what they call a DBS system on it, which is a dual bearing system, which allows twisting and contorting of the connection point so you don't end up with a strain on the hose while it's connected up. And we all know the hoses kind of twist and contort a little bit. This thing is very, very resistant to kinking, despite the fact that you could pull it around and in and through a garden, very, very resistant to kinking. And since it's non-expandable, it has a great water flow. Now we're fixing up the outside here with a 3/4 inch system. Right now, the house is only got 1/2 inch pecks. But I'm really confident the amount of water that's going to come out of this thing will be more than enough to take care of the back part of Brook and Pond. And what I plan on using it for is the container gardens on the side, on the bedroom side, and the triangle bed in the back. So let's open it up and take a look, shall we? It comes with a plastic, I wish it was metal, but it comes with a plastic adjustable squirt sprayer and the 100-foot hose. And this thing is seriously light. Now the connection point, which I really like, has got this DBS system in it. And it also has it out at the connection point for here. So the hose end will revolve, but the hose itself stays in place. So connecting up your Gotron Blue hose is standard, like connecting up any hose to a hose bib. And unfurling it for the first time, find that it's got a very, very durable outer sheath around it. And because Brook and Pond here is all gravel, hopefully it stands up very, very well to being drug around on the gravel at least a couple of 2 or 3 seasons. Now, as far as usage, not bad. Not bad at all. For what we use it for, you don't need any more pressure than that. And when the well kicks on, it'll come up even more than that. So you can also see, using our new Gotron Blue hose, that its application isn't just for a hose end sprayer. You can also hook it up to impact sprayers for lawn watering and those applications. And the connection was as easy as anything else that I've ever used. So I am very, very impressed with not only the price point, but the outer sheathing especially. And if you happen to be challenged hips-wise, back-wise, knee-wise, feet-wise, arms-wise. You're not pulling a super heavy-duty hose around the yard and around and in things. I have found that this hose serves the bill for what we are going to do in and around brook and pond as far as the containers and the backyard watering. The 100 feet reaches everything that I need, and that is going to be a huge plus. So a big thank you to Gotron Blue Hose. We'll leave a link in the description below where you can find yours. Every little bit that you go and get is going to help our channel tremendously. And don't forget to give me your opinion on the hose if you do go and get one. My email is down below, and I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Gotron Blue Hose, make it part of your gardening repertoire. One for the front, one for the back, one for the side. You'll be just as impressed as I am with the Gotron Blue Hose. You'll use it for years and years to come. Make sure if you're in the cold climates, obviously you disconnect it, drain it out, and store it for the winter. That's what we'll be doing. But if you're down south, leave it out all year. I'm going to put a hanger on the back wall, and that's where our Gotron Blue Hose is going to stay for the growing season. So thanks again to Gotron Blue Hose for sponsoring this week's video.